thank you everyone for coming. This is the Ford Canada and Red Cross Emergency Preparedness discussion. For anyone that was out here in 2021, our famous flood where we shut down the highway, it was a scary time. People didn't know what to do. And I was a Yarrow resident, and I remember when I was told that I would have to leave. And that was a scary thing, because it's like, where am I gonna go? How long? What do I pack?
Have one in your car. I mean, a lot of us have snacks in the car anyways, but make it a kit. Anyone, you can't check things online. So that's why it's really important to know your neighbors and to know your area. For me, I have an environmental and science background, and I'm very much into climate change and the impact and the effects on people. You know, you see so many people who are impacted. It's like, how can you be on the ground level helping someone in communities? And
I've been one of the victims of 2004 tsunami back in India. So I was heavily impacted by that, and that caused me to, prompted me to this field of like emergency preparedness. So I really loved being part of serving the community. Yeah. Imagine you are being asked to evacuate in 5 minutes, and let's say you have to be prepared for to stay away from your home for like a minimum of 3 days. So what are the things that you would need? Yeah, food. Yeah.
These 3 days?
yeah, I would do like 7 to 10.
Yeah.
You know, because you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So pretend you're going camping.
Yeah.
When a flood or flash flood warning is issued for your area, head towards higher ground and stay there, and turn around and don't drown. Avoid walking or driving through flood water.
So once again, Kathleen and Raghavi, thank you so much for being here. Thank you. And that's the conclusion of our program.